Okay, so as we come in, we have a closet on this side with 2 robes. There's, looks like a steamer and an iron. That's really nice. An extra blanket and probably pillow. There's an ironing board, luggage rack. Here's a laundry bag. I'm not sure. I don't see anything for dry cleaning. Then on this side, there's also a full-length mirror right here, which is really nice. So that's the closet. And then there's another mirror right there and a little bench. We can set your stuff, or if you need to put your shoes underneath there and you can sit down and put your shoes on or whatever. On this side is the bathroom. Let's go in and I'll find my light. Here we go. And so we have a bathtub, Nest products, so that's nice. And pretty deep bathtub with a rain head shower. And then on this side, we have a makeup mirror, some extra washcloths, again, that Nest product. Mirror, hand towels, plenty of towels down there, looks like some sort of bath mat or something, extra toilet paper, really deep drawers for your vanity cases, hair dryer, then over here, shampoo and conditioner, some cotton swabs, Kleenex, and then if we go this way, we'll go back out, and then if we go on in, there are 2 queen-size beds, lamps on either side of the bed, on both beds, so that's nice. Some drawer space here. Oh, there is. I was going to say I don't see any plugins, but there are plugins right here on this side of the bed. Looks pretty comfy. And then let's see. Oh, on this side of the bed also. And you've got your alarm clock and your phone, a pen and paper, drawer space there. Oh, like a little rolling ottoman here. So if you just want to sit on that, you can see my son sitting there and drawing for sure. Then over here is the other bed. And there are plugins on either side of the bed there. That's so nice. There's a table with a chair, and I guess you could roll that ottoman really over here and use it for another chair. There are some more plugins here, and we'll go to the balcony in a minute. Over here we do have some drawer space. There's your safe. Looks like here is a QR code for some info and menus. Then we've got the TV here, and right beside the TV we have an ice bucket, your Keurig machine with some coffees and teas. Looks like just about everything you need. And they left, there's a game tonight, so that's why we came, but they left these cute cookies. Look at these. So cute. Adorable. Little Braves cookies. Oh, and then in here is the fridge. Also, when we checked in, they gave my son this. Inside, let's take a look. Oh, it's here, let's see if I can do this with one hand. A cup It looks like, I don't know what that is. Little doodle thing and some crayons. That's really cute. How cute is that? Okay, and now let's go out to the balcony. On select nights, they do fireworks after the games. We could not see them very well from our room, but here's a glimpse of the fireworks from our balcony room. At check-in, they gave us 2 free vouchers for a drink at the bar that's located on level 3. We did just get a coffee there and enjoyed it out on the balcony, but I will say that they do have coffee in your room, and on game days, they have coffee down in the lobby on the main level, level 1, with pastries, so that's also an option. So you might want to use it for like a soda or something like that. This is just a picture of the Wi-Fi. If you are members, then you do get free Wi-Fi, the deluxe free Wi-Fi, and if you have a package or something, that's probably included, but this is just for your information. Here's a picture, a close-up picture of that little set that they gave my son upon check-in. They did this little postcard. If you color it and you turn it in at the lobby, which my son did at checkout, then they do donate a meal. I'm not sure if that's like locally or just a brand thing, but it was a really nice gesture. This is a picture of some pizza that we got down in the Battery Park. It's Antico pizza, and it was delicious. So if you're looking for pizza, it's a great place to go. Over here is a quick glance at the exercise room, and then here is the exterior of the hotel. This right here is where our room was located in these balcony rooms. We were on the 8th floor. It was a great view, and this is what we could see out from our room. Over here as well to the stadium. It was a great stay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.